Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I'll show you on how to check your hard disk health in your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down to your Windows startup menu. Right click on it. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Task Manager. And this is going to come up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to this sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on Performance. Here you go. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to Disk right here. Go ahead and click on Disk. Then you have your disk health status right here. So right here, you have your disk capacity right here. So this is depends on the kind of disk you have on your PC. And at the same time, if you have all these bar right here fully green, it means that the head of your disk is still very much active. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this is how to simply check your disk health in your Windows PC. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.